In a serene African village by the sea, lived a fisherman named Nuru. Each day, he set out with the dawn, casting his net into the sparkling waters. While others caught as much fish as they could to sell, Nuru took only enough to feed his family. Curious, a traveler asked, "Why not catch more to earn extra money?" Nuru smiled, saying, "The sea is generous, but my needs are few. I find abundance in contentment." The traveler, puzzled, pressed further. "What do you do with the rest of your day?" Nuru replied, "I play with my children, listen to my wife's stories, and enjoy the sunset with friends." Intrigued, the traveler decided to stay and observe. Each morning, he watched Nuru return early with just enough fish. In the afternoons, laughter filled the air as Nuru's family gathered, sharing tales and dreams under the vast sky. One evening, a storm threatened the village. While others worried, Nuru calmly led his family to safety, his heart at peace. As the storm passed, the village found strength in his serenity. The traveler realized Nuru's wisdom. True wealth wasn't in possessions, but in the richness of life shared with loved ones. Inspired, the traveler departed, carrying Nuru's secret in his heart. He spread the tale of the fisherman who found abundance in simplicity and joy in every moment. From that day on, the village honored Nuru's way of life, teaching future generations that the greatest treasure lies in balance, gratitude, and cherishing those we hold dear.